What's up everyone, Ethan Ader here with Blade RC, and in this repair video I have the Blade 150S and we're going to be replacing the main gear and the main shaft. This is a very easy process just because with the Blade 150S, the main gear isn't engaging with anything except for the pinion on the motor, so sliding it out and replacing it is going to be very easy. It only takes 2 screws and you're going to be wanting a 1.5mm hex driver, so make sure you have one handy. The first step we can do is pop off all 3 of these ball links on the Swatch plate. Now that we have our Swatch plate nice and free, we can go ahead and remove this screw right here in order to pull out the main shaft from the main gear. Now our next screw that we're going to want to remove is going to be on the main head assembly right here. This will essentially disconnect the main shaft from the main head. Now we can go ahead and get our new main shaft. As you can see, BLH3407 is going to come with 2 replacement main shafts as well as replacement screws and some extra shims in case there's any play in the assembly. One thing to keep in mind when installing your new main shaft is this stopper. It's actually not quite halfway down the main shaft. The part of the shaft with the longer side is going to be where your main gear attaches to, and the shorter side is going to be where the main head attaches to. So just keep in mind which way you are installing your main shaft. You will know when you've slid in the main shaft all the way because you will see that the hole in the main shaft and the main head will line up. As you can see, we will be able to thread the screw back through. Next, we can unpackage our new main gear and insert it into the main frame. As you can see, BLH3408 is a replacement main gear. It'll come with 2. It's a replacement for the 180 CFX and the 150S. And just like that, the Blade 150S now has a new main shaft and main gear. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Blade's YouTube channel to stay tuned for more repair videos like this. See you guys later.